Arrive in style with this Nissan 2014 Pathfinder SL 4x4. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are overall length, 197.2, ABS and driveline traction control, cruise control, 4-door, tires, with 235 mm, door pockets, driver, passenger and rear, front legroom, 42.3 and video monitor location, front. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.